shores of Lake Michigan to Indiana's fields we stand, blue and orange blazing bright, ready now to claim the fight. Hear the roar, feel the ground shake, every yard is ours to take. Hail to the Hammond Bears, claws up high in the Hoosier air. Strike with pride, strength and flair, victory is ours to wear. Hail, hail, the Hammond Bears. Forged in wind and winter snow, carried where the brave hearts go. New home, same fiercer soul, chasing down that end zone goal.